A very warm welcome my friends. Welcome to the new channel, that is Genius Megamind. In our series of video lectures, today we are going to start an entirely new topic by the name finding a similar group. So first of all, you have to understand the nature of the question. So my friends, you can see the first question on your screen. Now in the first question, there are 4 numbers which are given over here. Now these 4 numbers follow a same principle, a same rule through which they are formed. And over here there are 4 options which are given. So one of the options is going to fit the group, means it is going to follow the same rule which has been used to form these particular 4 groups as such, and we are here to find out the similar group as such. So without wasting our time, let's start with the very first question. Now the very first question, my friend, you can see on your screens, there are 4 numbers which are given over here: 42, 20, 72 and 110. As I told you, these 4 numbers are going to follow a same rule as such. Now I told you, you have to know the squares and cubes from 1 से लेके 20 तक. Now if I check out 42 as such, can I write 42 as 6 square plus 6? Okay. Now 20 can be written as, my friends, as 5 square plus what? 5. And 72 can be written as 8 square plus 8, and 110 can also be written as 10 square plus 10. So over here, what is the formula I am finding? I am finding the formula of what? N square plus n. The square of the number plus the same number which is added to that gives the end result. That means these 4 numbers. So out of the 4 options, I have to look out for such an option which is going to follow the formula n square plus n. Rest of the 3 options are not going to follow this rule as such. Now checking out each and every option, what do I see over here? Can I write 156 as 12 square plus 12? So 12 square, my friends, is what? 144, and 144 plus 12 is what? 156. So that entirely fits over here. Now does it fit over here? So I don't think so, because it will be 170 will be 13 square plus 1, then 82 will be 9 square plus 1. So that does not fit in the formula n square plus n. So the answer for this question, my friends, is what? A. So we have found a similar group which resembles the 4 numbers in the question. Coming down to the second question. Again, you just check out all the numbers as such. Very keen observation is essential over here. If you observe the numbers very carefully, then you might find the crux of the question. Now the numbers are, my friends, 684, then it is 891, then it is 255 and 479. After keenly observing the numbers, what do I find over here? First of all, I'll focus on the middle numbers as such. All the middle numbers I am taking. Now what is 8 square? 8 square, my friends, is what? 64. And my friends, 64 have been separated like this, 6 and what? 4, right? Now over here I am finding 9 square is what? 81. This 9 square is what, my friends? 81. And 8 goes over here, 1 goes over here. So likewise 5 square is what? 25. 5 square, my friends, is 25, and 2 goes over here and 5 goes over here. So likewise 7 square will be what? 49. 4 is placed over here and 9 is placed over here. So I hope you understood the arrangement, how the digits in every number are arranged. So we have to look out for a similar option from the options which are given on the right hand side. So over here, if I take 3 square, so that is 9. So this cannot be written like this. Then, my friends, the middle number square, that is 2 square, is 4. It cannot be written like this. Then the third option, the middle number, is again 2. So 2 square is 4. 2 square cannot be written as 64 as such. But my friends, 6 square is what? 36. And 3 goes over here and 6 goes over here. So that forms 36. So the answer for this question obviously has to be option D. Now the third question, my friends. You have to keenly observe the numbers very carefully and just check out which formula suits over there. can I use something about squares and cubes over there? So the numbers, my friends, are 28, 9, 65 and 2. So I can be writing 28 as 3 cube plus 1. So 3 cube is 27 plus 1 is 28. Now this can be written as, that means 9 can be written as 2 cube plus 1. 2 cube, my friends, is what? 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now 65 can be written as 4 cube plus 1. Now what is 4 cube? 4 cube is 64, and 64 plus 1 comes out to be 65, and the last number is 2, which is 1 square plus 1, means it can be written in the format n cube plus 1. So this is the formula I am going to use over here. So same kind of formula I have to find amongst the options as such. Now over here, if I just check it out, this looks to me as 7 square plus 1, my friends. So this is not possible. Then 215 can be written as 6 cube minus 1. So 6 cube is what? 216 minus 1, 215. Now 82 can be written as 9 square plus 1. Fine. And last but not the least, 126, my friends, can be written as 5 cube plus 1. So over here I am finding the same formula, that is n cube plus 1. 5 cube plus 1 is 126. So C is the answer for this question. Now question number 4 on your screens. 4 numbers are given: 567, 945, 594 and 738. So these are the 4 numbers which are given to you. So each and every question, my friends, is going to have a different kind of logic. Fine. So first of all, I'll just go for 567, and if I add the digits in the number 5 plus 6 plus 7, the addition comes out to be what, my friends? 18, right? Is it possible over here? So 945 is nothing but 9 plus 4 plus 5. So 9 plus 4 is 13, and 13 plus 5 is what? 18. Now over here 594 looks the same as 945. So obviously addition of 5, 9 and 4 also will be what? 18. And last but not the least, 738. So the addition of the numbers or the digits in the number comes out to be 18 again. So I have found out the solution, like the addition of the digits in each and every number over here comes out to be 18. So from the options we have to check out the option, the addition of whose digits will be what? 18. Now over here, the first option, 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 7 comes out to be what? 19. So this is not possible. Then the second option, 6 plus 9 plus 3. 6 plus 9 is 15, and 15 plus 3, my friends, is what? 18. So this is the most possible option. But again, we'll check out the remaining options. 7 plus 4 plus 6. So 11 plus 6 comes out to be what? 17. So this is not possible. And the last option, 5 plus 4 plus 8. So 9 plus 8 also is what? 17. So from the pattern, we can observe that the answer for this question has to be option B. Question number 5. Fine. Now again, please look at the numbers. After looking at the numbers, you will see that all the numbers are what kind of numbers? My friends, they are perfectly odd numbers. But at the same time, you have to observe that they are also what kind of numbers? They are also prime numbers as such. They are prime numbers. So 7 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number, 37 and 97, both of them are prime numbers. Here, what is important for you to understand is the definition of prime numbers. What are prime numbers? The numbers which are divisible by the same number as well as 1 are known as what? Prime numbers. And since 7 is only divisible by 7 and 1, 97 is divisible by 97 and 1, so ultimately all of them are prime numbers. So we have to check out a prime number from amongst the options. So is 67 a prime number? Is 57 a prime number? Is 87 a prime number? Or is 27 a prime number? My friends, 27 is divisible by 3, right? It is also divisible by 27, it is also divisible by 1, it is also divisible by 9. So 27 is not a prime number. Same thing I can say about 87. It is divisible by 3. so it's not a prime number. 57 also is divisible by 3, so it's again not a prime number. So my friends, 67 is the only number which is divisible by 1 as well as 67. So ultimately that will be the answer. So over here my friends, all of them were what numbers? All of them were prime numbers as such. Fine. So that was the case regarding this question. Now question number 6. Question number 6, they have given the pairs of numbers. Fine. And just by looking at the numbers, it seems that the question is damn too easy as such. Fine. What is happening over here? 61 का उल्टा हो रहा है 16, 34th reverse is 43, 79th reverse is 97, and 67th reverse is what? 76. So over here I am finding reverse numbers as such. Fine. Now I have to check out such an option where I can get the second number as the reverse of the first number. So is it possible in option A 89 ka reverse should be 98? So not possible. Then the reverse of 12 should be 21. Not possible. Yes, the reverse of 53 is 35. So my friend, this is the answer. And the reverse of 71 cannot be 18. So this also cannot be the answer as such. So the answer for this question is option C. Now let's go for the 7th question, my friends. You please observe all the numbers. All of the numbers are 3-digit numbers and they are ending with the digit that is 0. So over here I'll have to go for the divisibility test. Fine. So I'll have to see which number can divide all the 4 numbers in common. So just by looking at the number, so it is through experience I am talking. After solving enormous questions, you will also gain enormous experience and it will be very, very easy for you to solve all the questions which come down for the examination. Now my friends, is 120 divisible by 20? So 110% I can say it is what? 6. Then is 220 divisible by 20? So yes my friends, it is what? 11. Now 460 also is divisible by 20. 0 0 gets cancelled. Then 2 2s are 2 3s are. So it is nothing but 23. And let us check out, is 780 also divisible by 20? 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 3s are 6 and 9s are. Fine. So all of them are divisible by 20. So we have to check out the number from amongst the options which is perfectly divisible by 20. So just by looking at option A, I can simply put it that it is not divisible by 20. I can say the same about 290 as such. Even my friends, 370 is not divisible by 20. But if I check 560, so let us check out whether it's divisible by 20 as such. 0 0 gets cancelled, 2 1s are, 2 2s are and 2 8s are. So 28, right? So obviously the answer for this question has to be D, since 560 is divisible by what? 20 as such. Now question number 8. Question number 8 on your screens, my friends. So the first number is 842, second is 933, the third one is 422 and the last number is 623. Again my friends, focus your attention on every digit of every number. So over here what I'll do, these two numbers, so the last 2 digits of every number, their multiplication gives me what number? The first number, right? So over here also 3 into 3 gives me what? The first digit of the number, that is 9. Over here also 2 into 2 will be what, my friends? It is 4, and last 2 into 3, the multiplication comes out to be what? 6. So I have found a rule. The rule is the multiplication of the last 2 digits gives me the first digit of every number. So the same thing I have to check it out. Now let's start from the last option. So 2 4s are 8. So over here they have given what? 6. So this is not possible. Then the C option, 2 1s are 2. Over here is what? 1. So this is also not possible. Then the B oval option, 3 2s are 6, but over here it is what? 1. So this is also not possible. Now does the rule really apply for the first option? So yes, 1 into 1 comes out to be what? 1. So this is the answer, my friends. because ultimately the last two digits multiplication is coming down as the first digit of the number. So answer is option A. Now question number 9 on your screens. Nobody is going to teach you how to observe the numbers. You have to observe it yourself and then you have to come down to a specific conclusion. Now just again, there are pairs of numbers which are given: 61, 67, 43, 47, 31, 37 and 11 and 17. So 4 pairs are given. I have to find out a similar pair from amongst the options. Now just checking out the pairs of numbers in each group, I see that they are nothing but the pair of what? Prime numbers, right? They are nothing but the pair of prime numbers, and consecutive prime numbers they are, my friends. Now just checking out the options, let us again start from option D. So 23, my friends, is a prime number, that is 100% true, but 27 is not a prime number, so this group is not a pair of prime numbers. So in option C, 63 is not a prime number, whereas 67 is a prime number. But our requirement is a pair of consecutive prime numbers. In option B also, 81 is neither a prime number, okay? And 87 also is not a prime number. So both of the numbers are not prime numbers. But as I can see in option A, 73 as well as 79, both of them are what? Pairs of prime numbers. So the answer for this question is option A. Now moving down to the last question, my friends. These were the basic questions just to develop your logic. As we proceed further, the level of the questions surely are going to be super cool, super difficult, super hard, right? So just check out the 3 groups. Instead of 4 groups, I have given 3 groups over here. So the first pair is 4 and 10. So over here, you have to check out how do I get 10 from 4. So I have to multiply 4 by 2 and add what in that? 2. So 4 2s are 8 plus 2 is 10. Now is the logic applicable over here? 12 2s are 24 plus 2 is what? 26. And 11's double. So or 11 into 2 is 22 plus 2 is 24. So over here double plus 2 is the rule which I have applied. Now let's check out all the 4 options. Okay. Now 3 2s are 6 plus 2 comes out to be 8, but over here given is what? 12. So this option is not possible. Then the second one, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 comes out to be 18. So even this is not possible because they are given 20 over there. For the third option, 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is 8. So the rule applies over here. And even in the last option, 7's double will be 14 and 14 plus 2 will be 16, but over here they are given it as 21. So the answer, my friends, is C. So these were 10 questions. You please observe the questions again and again, because each and every question is made up of a different logic, a different concept. So 10 of your concepts will be clear. So while solving questions in the examination, you have to check out whether the question is fitting in these concepts or these kind of logic. Fine. So hope you understood the lecture. If you have really loved the lecture, you can please like it, share it and subscribe it. And thank you, my friends.